You know, everybody knows that we need reviews, preferably really good ones. Review sites like Google, Facebook, and Yelp give consumers a way to share their experiences, both good and bad. The question that most marketers seem to have is this: how to respond to a bad review, and that is what I'm going to share in this video. Knowing that consumers rely on reviews to help them discover great products and services, I really believe it is super important for you to respond to every review you get, and especially the negative ones. The risk that you run by not responding to bad reviews is simply this: future customers are watching. They're paying attention to see if you are going to try to make things right. And if you choose to just act like an ostrich, stick your head in the sand and hope that all goes away, they start thinking, hey, what if my purchase goes south? Are they going to ignore me too? I'd like to encourage you to respond to negative reviews before they start driving current and potential customers away. And if you do this, consumer perceptions can dramatically change, making it more likely that they will come in and visit your business. Now, to help you get started, I'd like to give you 5 simple tips for how to respond to a bad review. First tip, you need to respond quickly. You know, most consumers expect a response within a week. Besides, potential consumers are also paying attention. They want to see if you're paying attention too. Tip number 2, don't ever lose your cool. You need to stay polite and professional at all times. No matter what, take the high road. It will pay dividends in the end. Tip number 3, take the time to personalize that response. Now, this could be as simple as just including the name in the reply. And number 4, you need to thank them for their feedback. This helps make you look human and can help de-escalate a potentially bad situation. And finally, stick to the issue at hand. Offer to make it right and ask for a second chance. Now, I know that all this takes time and you are already maxed out. One way to help streamline this process is to create a pre-written template that you can use that has the bulk of your response already written out. Just personalize it with their name, maybe even address the situation, and then just copy and paste. So there you have it. Why I believe you should respond to every review and a few tips on how to do it all in under 3 minutes.